In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store your standard operating procedures, often known as SOPs, in Asana, an effective tool that can truly streamline your organizational tasks, enhance team collaboration, and maintain consistency in executing processes. Having well-organized SOPs is crucial for any business or team looking to improve efficiency and communication. So let's dive right into how you can create and manage SOPs using Asana. Starting off, you need to head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If not, you can get started by clicking Get Started or try for free to set up your account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is set up a project specifically dedicated to your SOPs. This will help you keep everything organized in one accessible place. To do this, you'll need to create a new project within Asana. Make sure to label it clearly with something intuitive, perhaps standard operating procedures or team SOPs, so everyone knows exactly what it contains. Now, when setting up your project, you have the option to choose between a list or board view. The choice really depends on your team's preferences, but for detailed step-by-step SOPs, a list view often provides a more structured appearance and might be more practical. This way you can easily see each procedure and its components listed neatly. With your project set up, it's time to organize by creating sections within it for each SOP. Think about dividing these by departments or categories such as content creation, customer service, or marketing. Each section represents a different area of operation within your organization, making it easy for team members to find what's relevant to their work quickly. Once your sections are in place, it's time to add tasks for each SOP. Create a task for every procedure you have and make sure to title each with the SOP name. For instance, you might have tasks like how to onboard a new employee or social media posting process. In the task description, outline the step-by-step instructions clearly. This ensures anyone can follow the process without confusion. Further enhancing clarity, break down each SOP into actionable steps by creating subtasks for them. This makes larger tasks more manageable. If your SOP is about content publishing, for example, you might create subtasks such as research content topic, write the content, edit and proofread, schedule the post, and finally monitor post performance. Adding due dates or assigning these subtasks can also help in making sure each step is completed on time. Last but certainly not least, collaboration and review are key. Once your SOP is written, share it with team members for feedback. Assign tasks to ensure correct adherence to each step, and importantly, remember to periodically review and update your SOPs to keep them accurate and current. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your company runs seamlessly and that everyone is on the same page.